So guys, I just want to show you how insanely easy it is to build a app scraper in MationX Studio, which is this app I have built right here. So this is my normal Android phone that just has the MationX client app installed. And this is the MationX Studio where I have just connected 3 blocks together. Okay, manual run, AI extract from screen that extracts the restaurants and scrolls, let's say 10 times. Let's do it 10 times. And then takes all the information and takes it to this Google spreadsheet. So let's run it by pressing this button. I will zoom it in for you. Let's run it by pressing this run button. Now the phone is extracting. Let me go into the Google spreadsheet where it will dump the information. Now the AI block is finishing and it will dump the data here. Boom, like this. So where the data was available, it took all of the data. It took all of the names of the restaurants, all of the times in which the restaurants were able to deliver their food, and also their rating. And now I can simply filter by rating or whatever, doesn't matter. Okay, so guys, if you want us to build a app scraper or turn any app into an API, we can do that. Go to mationx.com/services and we offer building services ourselves. Or if you want to build it yourself, go to MationX.com and you will find a link to the studio. There's a free trial you can try out. There's also a free plan. You get a few sparks to test it out. Sparks are basically the credits for this AI. As you can see, this is very simple to set up, okay? I just selected what the model should be, if it should be fast, balanced, or smart. I just said list of records, restaurants, and then I describe to the AI what I'm actually trying to see, and it's scraping all of the restaurants by itself and putting it to a Google spreadsheet. Thank you for watching.